everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a really good throwback video and do a close-up on this squishy. This is a Hello Kitty in a bunny costume squishy, and she's featuring a pink polka dotted bow. She's a pastel pink color, and she also has hearts on her feet as accents. I really love these squishies because they take me to a different time. I have a lot of nostalgia for them since these were the ones that I collected. This was before the era of super squishy squishies, so they're not super squishy. I do feel like the older ones had more detail put into them, and the characters are, of course, very cute. This still has the original Sanrio original tag. And on the back here is some little information. Feel free to pause the video. It shows here and on the bottom of the squishy that we saw earlier that this was dated 2011, which is the manufacturer date. That's all for this short video. I just wanted to go ahead and do a little throwback squishy show and tell. I do have other squishies if you guys would like to see them. Please let me know in the comments below and expect more of these in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, I will talk to you all later.